Alright, I'm Kevin. This is another installation video on my 06 Dodge Charger 5.7. So what I got is, I got this oil catch can off of Amazon. And the actual tube hose that came with it is so flimsy that it won't work. It just collapses every time you hook it up. So discard that. It also comes with these fittings here, which I use the biggest fittings on mine. On these two bolts, you have to take it apart, unscrew it, to put these two bolts and nuts on it. Okay, and just put it back together. Then we put it back together. This is facing down. Okay, so what I did is I got this ground bolt here. So I figured it was the best spot there. So I put this on. Then I put my ground on, which I put my nut on it as well. And I'll just tighten that up. After it's tightened, just bend it wherever you want to. And to me, that's ain't too bad a look. It's right there. I got these two hoses. I'll put this one into the inlet. I know the camera's shaky. Sorry about that. I gotta. Okay. All right. I'm gonna put that right there. Goes on well. Then I got my little clamps right here. I just got them from a water hose. So clamp that off. Now, I got my other one. Goes to the outlet intake. I put that white tape around both ends. So, put that underneath it. Hopefully I can get the screw on there. Yeah, there it goes. I had all this already together, and I figured I'd make a video on it. So I took it all back apart. It's easier if you... Okay. Now, I'll take this other end, and I'll put it right here on that, on the intake side. Like I said, to me, it's a pretty nice look. And I'll put these clamps here. I mean, there ain't a lot of holes, or it ain't running across the car or anything like that. So maybe a couple more nice clamps will be all right. All right, so I'm gonna start it up and we'll see if the hose collapses or not. All right, car started up. Hoses are good. You want to check the oil. Here a second. Got an oil. You can check the oil that way, or you have to take all this stuff off and unscrew that cap right there. Alright guys, this is my second video, so let me know what you think. If I can do anything different or better.